Myself Neha Kumar. I am from Bhuj English School, standard of 12th, first and second language student. Now I will talk about letter that will come in writing skill. What is a letter? First, children, you should know what is the letter. It is a written communication. There are two types of letter. One is formal and another is informal. See, note children, generally the letters are asked in a formal. At the school, generally the following types of letter are asked at the school level, so practice them well. Letter for complaints, making queries, requests, appeals, letter to editor, giving suggestion on issue, etc., etc. Children, this will be of 7 marks. Job application, they are asking for question for the job application. You should know the elements, how to write the letter. So now I will show you the format according to new curriculum. Right? For formal letter, first everything will start from, remember that, in short way and easy way I am teaching you. Everything will start from left hand side only. First, what you will have, first element is sender address. At the top of the left side, example, 8th Dhruv apartment, Kansara Bazar, Bhuj, right? And you after that, don't write 4 to 5 lines address. Write in a short way, and after your address, suppose you are sending, so your address, then you have to mention the date. How you will mention the date? Keep this point in the mind, children. 5th March 2020. If the date is given in the question paper, use that date. If not, the exam on which, suppose you are giving exam on 6th March or 5th March, so you have to write 5th March, March, 2020. Don't write full date. First, sender address. Remember, sender address not more than 3 lines. Afterwards, you have to mention the date. Date also 5th March, 2020. Then I will come to second point, second elements. Address of the addressee to whom you are writing. Now second point, after leaving one line, you have to write the address of whom you are writing the letter to. Example, the editor, the Times of India, Hospital Road, Bhuj. Then this second element you should keep in the mind like this way. Then the salutation, sir or dear, whenever you start in formal letter, you have to use sir or dear sir. Even you can write respected also. After that, you have to write subject. That will come in between. The subject should be not more than 4 to 5 words. Remember children, don't write big. Subject should be only 4 to 5 words. Then the body, content of the letter for formal, it should be to the point, and whatever they have asked in the exam, so follow the question they have asked, right children? Then sixth element, the complimentary clause, and ending, how you will write that left side, your sincerely or faithfully. Then you will do your signature of formal letter, require full signature with the name, designation just below. Example I am giving you, your sincerely, comma, DP. Suppose your name is Dhruv Pomal, DP you will do your sign. Then you will write Dhruv Pomal, your general manager, whatever the post you belong to, you have to write, and that everything will come in left hand side only. Children, remember, formal letter, official letter, 6 elements you have to remember: sender address, address of addressee to whom you are writing the letter, the salutation, dear sir, dear madam, or respected madam. Then the content of the letter, it should be to the point. Then complimentary close, yours sincerely, yours faithfully. So if you write in this way, your 5 marks are in your hand. Children, remember, everything will start from left hand only, left hand side only. Thank you, children.